told you I ain't have a gun.
Do you mind showing me?
I told you I ain't got a gun. So what you talking about then?
What's in the hoodie pocket, brother?
Sir,
What are you talking about?
he just came out the house. He just came out the house.
You tripping. I told you I ain't have a gun.
Do you mind showing me?
No. Bro.
Is it? Are you sure it's not a gun? I'm just asking you. Are you sure it's not a gun?
Are you sure it's not a gun? You don't got the right to do this?
I mean, I'm just looking. That's all.
You don't got the right to do this. Yo, go ahead. Yo, go ahead. Yo, y'all crazy. Yo, can y'all get away from me? Yo, get away from me. Y'all get away from me. I don't know y'all.
I'm just asking a question. That's
I
all.
just said no, so why are you around? No, I know I'm not. You violating my rights.
I'm not violating your rights.
You are violating my rights. Go in the house.
I'm a retired court officer at the court.
No, go in the house. Go in the house.
I know, but I'm just asking.
No, I'm telling you.
I see it. What is that?
It don't matter what
see
that
that?
is. I just came out the house. I'm out of my business.
Oh, I'm just asking you what it is. That's all.
It's in my hoodie. Whatever it is.
I know. I'm just asking you.
Don't worry about what it
looks
is.
like a heavyweight object.
Please, okay, let me get
You violating my rights.
Brian, please let him answer him. Get the fuck out your way, please, Brian. Please, okay? I'm just asking you,
I mean,
please,
it's not a
Brian.
gun, is it?
I said it's not a gun.
Oh, do you
Don't
mind
touch-
showing me?
Sir.
I'm not touching you. I'm just asking. That's all.
So,
Brian, you know what? Then this is really.
I'm just asking.
yo,
Look, Brian, just
you harassing me. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not.